Right, so next mission, convenience White Lotus fuel and repair vehicles at 5 gas stations and extract 7 gas cans. All we need to do to collect the gas cans is head across to these gas stations, and for the fuel and repair vehicles at 5 gas stations, we need to get into a vehicle, get it a bit damaged and use a bit of fuel, at least maybe a quarter or so, and then drive it and park it right next to these gas stations somewhere here. When you do so, it'll start filling it up with fuel and repairing it, and after a short while when it's full, drive away, then rinse and repeat. Note that you will need to find a new car in between each one of these, and of course, you'll need to be in the vehicle while it's repairing, and especially when it's done in order to get it to count. And if you drive away preemptively before it's done, well, unfortunately you'll need to find a new vehicle, as it doesn't seem to count at all for some reason, even if you take it back to repair it all the way. Anyways, that's about it for this quick explanation. Thank you all for watching. My name's been TechNubbie here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.